Let's now see the details. Labels next to the exterior handle indicate how to open the door from the outside. Check through the observation window that the cabin pressure indicator does not flash. Push the flap in and grasp the handle. Lift it fully up to the horizontal green line. Press and maintain the open push button. The door opens forward until it's locked in the fully open position. For safety reasons, lower the handle into its reset. Should the door be armed, it will be automatically disarmed as soon as the outside opening handle is moved upward.